Hello, let's say you run Speak Poker for the very first time. Here's what you need to do. First, set up your poker software in order to run with Speak Poker. For full tilt, turn off the display table on action. For Poker Stars, go to Options, Bet Slider Options, and the Bet Slider shortcut buttons need to look exactly like this. Button 2 needs to be Pot, Preflop and Postflop, and button 3 needs to be Max, Preflop and Postflop. Also, go to Options, Advanced Multi-Table Options, and uncheck the pop-up table whenever user action is required. For Party Poker, go to Preferences, Table Options, General, and you should have keyboard shortcuts activated selected. Go to Preferences, Table Options, Bet Slider, and it should look exactly like this. Go to Preferences, Multi-Tabling, and unselect the table jumping to front of action. Now, plug in your microphone. You should have a decent sound card and a decent microphone, or the speech recognition will not work correctly 100% of the time. Contrary to popular belief, a Microsoft mic is not really a good choice. You need one of those cool phones with microphone deals that you can usually get in any decent computer store at around $15 to $20. Okay, that's it. Now, let's run Speak Poker. If you run it for the very first time, I recommend you have no poker tables open. Now, with your mic plugged in, say a few comments like this. Bet 5. Check. Table 1, fold. Table 2, check. Fold. Stop speak. Okay, perfect. So it's working. Now, click on Themes and make sure each theme in your poker software matches what you have here in Speak Poker. For instance, on Poker Stars, I'm using the Poker Stars black theme, which looks like this. I'll select it here. Go to Settings and check out the table having focus becomes active table. By default, it's turned off. If turned off, when you want to change the table, you have to say so. Like, table 2 check. We'll move the focus to table 2 and then press the check button. This is my favorite and usually is used by people who play tiled tables. If turned on, whenever a table requires action, you're moved to it. At this point, we're ready to play. First time I suggest you start playing for 10 to 15 minutes at very small stakes, or even play money just to make sure your computer accurately recognizes your voice. Okay, at the beginning let's play tiled tables with table having focus feature turned off. Deal me in. Table 1, post blind. Check. Table 2, check. Table 1 check. Table 2 check. 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 Table 1 check. Table 2 fold. Table 1 fold. Table 2 check. Check. Table 1 fold. Now, let's try cascade tables with table having focus feature turned on. Cascade tables. Deal me in. Post blind. Check. Check. Bet 80% go. Bet 80% go. Bet 80% go. All in go. Fold. Check. Bet pot go. Fold. Check. Raise go. Check. 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 Fold. And finally, stack tables and focus feature turned on. Stack tables. Deal me in. Post blind. Check. Post blind. check, check, bet 50% go, check, bet 70% go, check, fold, bet 70% go, bet 80% go, check, 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 fold, check, bet 3 blinds go, bet 50% go, check, check, fold, check, 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 bet 40% go, check, fold, check, 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 fold, check, sit out, check, check, fold, check, fold, fold. Well, that's it. At the beginning I recommend you keep the Speak Poker window visible so that you can see exactly what happens. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We appreciate any feedback you might have. It's now your turn to Speak Poker. See ya!